Mummy.
No, I'm not answering any questions. Go away, go away, go away.
Just one
Let me work,
question.
let me
Just
work.
one question.
What, Shubham?
I was just thinking right now that what would have been with my life if you had not been around.
Universe always gives you some support or the other in other form. You already know that, right? If I would have not been there, somebody else would have been there. Simple.
That's not it, but I was just thinking that if you left me right now, I would always be covered. I feel always be surrounded by fear, like fear, a feeling of fear of anxiety started coming in my mind when I was thinking about that. So I started thinking about it, and I thought, what were your feelings when you decided to separate with Daddy?
Well, I really wanted to be safe somehow, I don't know. There was no such threat, but when I actually separated, I was like, okay, I'll handle myself, and I was just 21 and you were 10 days old, you already know that. So I think the thing that was going on in my head, that I wanted to keep you safe and me safe. That was the first thing. And once reality actually sinked in, there was a lot of fear. A whole universe of fear actually gripped me. I had no idea how will I raise you. I was so new to motherhood. Of course, there's no manual for motherhood, and I had no idea what to do. But somehow I had this guidance of Nana Nani, and I was like, okay, things I'll I'll handle it. But yeah, there was a lot of fear because I was all alone. I had no idea how will I raise you, what kind of a child you will come up as, and what are the things that needs to be taken care of. How am I going to make sure that you get the best education? And there was so many thoughts. And do I want to marry again? Do I want to be single, or how are things going to fall? Will I again get back to Daddy? No idea. There was this whole universe of fear, anxiety, and thoughts which were really, really pulling me down. But at one point, I actually thought to myself that thinking such thoughts are really not helping me, because I'm not able to move forward. I'm not able to think anything new. I'm not able to take any new actions. So the biggest thing what I can do in this scenario where I am fearful is still take actions. So the best way of getting away from fear is be with it, face it, work even when you're fearful. So this was the whole starting phase when I had just started going to work and all of it. And I think when I actually started working, somewhere in my head, I had a very strong goal that I want to give you the best education, because I could not complete it fully. I want to give you the best education what is possible. Not the lifestyle yet I'm talking about, but yes, a good education which will help you to turn out to be a good human being, a human being who can serve this planet, a human being who can contribute to this planet, because finally you are shaped up from this earth, right?
Yeah.
So my only intention during that time was that. Now, how to go about, I had no idea. I think universe had already designed this life for me, and I just kept on walking on the path. So yes, there were times where I was full of fear. फटी पड़ी थी सच बोलूँ तो it was so bad that I used to cry. I've cried a lot. I've cried all alone. I had no one to console me. I had no one to tell me it's okay, Ami. It's okay to make mistakes, or it's okay, even if you're fearful, and it's okay if you don't produce results. But for me, I had such a strong compulsion in my mind that I have to perform, I have to work. I cannot keep on thinking that, oh, I'm fearful. So this is what is my learning, that when you are fearful, and if you really want to live a fearless life, just work with your fears. Because fear is like some imaginary person keeping a gun on your head, and when you actually look at it, there's no one. So it's like that. So the moment you face it, it vanishes. The moment you face it, it vanishes. And every time Whenever I have been fearful, either into my job change or my job role or taking up some challenging projects or raising you up was the biggest challenge or biggest project of my life. So I was fearful. Yes, I have behaved very, very weirdly most of the times. I have been dominating. I have been strict. For me, I think to get rid of my fear
Hmm.
or to deal with my fear, I actually stopped being a mother, because mothers are very soft, they're very compassionate, and I had no time to be that. I had no time. I had to be a person who is really strong headed, who is really there, out there.
Hmm.
ड्रामा करने का टाइम नहीं था. इन शॉर्ट, मेंटल साइकोलॉजिकल ड्रामा करने का टाइम नहीं था. ओ डर लग रहा है, मैं क्या करूँ. नो, आई डिडंट हैव दैट टाइम. So I think taking actions, even though when you're fearful, is the best solution to deal with fear. And what I've realized is also, while playing this game, because it was like this, like if you imagine this is fear and this is me, it was always either at times fear overpowering me, or either I overpowering the fear. So it was like a game. And it was like, okay, chal dekhte ab kaun jeetta hai. I actually created that game in my head. And I was like, okay, ठीक है, इस बार तूने ओवर पावर किया ना मेरे को, next time it's my turn. I'll make sure I'll come back with a bounce. So there was this whole game running in my head where I was making sure that most of the times I overpower the fear. And it so happened that now there is a friendship with fear. So and that's such a beautiful feeling. And of course it's uneasy at times, but I think this is the best way to deal with fear. And I think if you start doing that, it will really help you.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mummy. Now you get to work.
Thank you for allowing me to work.
Bye bye.